Hello. So there's a quick way to check the backend of your competitors, like what are the system they are using in their backend. And if you guys are launching a new product and you don't know what keywords to put in, then we can just copy those keywords and use them as well in our listings. So let's see how we can do it. You need to copy the ASIN here, and there's a link. I will provide it in the description. You just need to replace it here, and you will get all the data here. You just need to press Ctrl F and you can type generic keyword and you will find these keyword in the backend. What I like to do is I just copy this data. There's a backend keyword extractor I made for myself. I just copy it here and then press submit. It gives me this data, right? So I know that if this is my competitor, then I can see that okay, this is the keyword they are using in their backend. So let's try another ASIN. Control. Okay, so I copy this all and delete this one, paste and then submit. So yeah, so these are the keyword this guy is using. So there's a catch, like in few of the listings there is search term in the backend and in few there's generic keyword. So if there's a listing that doesn't comes up in the generic keyword, then you need to type search term. Let me show you it here. So this is a ASIN. If I type generic keyword, I won't find anything, but if I type search terms, you can see that there's a search term called taco holder here. So let's see one more example here for this one. Oops. Yeah, so let's type search term. Yeah, you see here's a search term and you won't find the generic keyword here in this one as well. So yeah, that's how you can get the session and then see how what are the session they are using in their backend. Thank you.